Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to blur an image in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Blurring an image in Canva is a super easy process. You just simply have to open your Canva application, and after opening the Canva application, tap to this plus icon at the bottom. Now after tapping into plus icon, simply select the image from which you want to remove the background. I'm selecting this image into here, then click to this edit image option at the top right. After clicking into edit image, it will open your image into a different page, and now into here you will get the option of effects into this bar at the bottom. Just simply tap into that effects button and choose effects option into here. Now you will get the option of blur. Just simply select blur option and then select this whole image option into here. Now you just simply have to increase the intensity of the blur into your image. You can make it in the scale of 0 to 100. And after successfully blurring the image, click to save button and you are all set. This way you can easily blur an image in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.